Hello. So this is my final project. And so basically the way it works is programmed on the microbit is a function that allows me to pick a letter. So as you can see, the letter is also displayed here. So I can go forward, A, B, C, D, E, with button B. And with button A, I can go backwards, Z, Y, X, etc. Um, and then the way I pick a letter is I shake it. And when I pick a letter and shake it, something different will happen on the screen depending on the letter. So it's separated by groups of letters based on like how often they appear in words together, kind of just by guesstimate rather than like alphabetical or individually. So like there are letters that will do the same thing. It's not like A, B, C, etc. Like all 26 have a different action. And the point is that by spelling words or iterating through the alphabet, you can create an art piece that's unique every time. So, oh, I just shook it. So that's A. And so every time I shake it, something slightly similar but different will happen. Like the same shapes will come up, but in randomized colors within like kind of a certain spectrum. And then if I go next to B, this is what you'll get. And then C, D, E, F, G, H. And it's hard to hear, but if you can, whenever I imported the speech module so that since I have the version 2 microbit, I don't need to connect the speaker. So every time I shake it, it makes noise, and what it's doing is speaking the letter. Um, Part of that is because it's cool, but also for debugging purposes, so I could tell when like a shake wasn't being picked up, um, because the speech is dependent on the shake, or if it wasn't a shake issue, but just a processing issue. And all this will also be included in my comments. Um, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this now is a pseudo-random art piece created based on the alphabet. Uh, or in other words, this is a visual representation of the alphabet dependent on this code. Um, Something else I think you could do that would be fun. Let me rerun this. Uh, or will it let me rerun? Yeah, there we go. Is spelling. So, like, um, my full name is Alexis. Uh, Actually, you know what? Santa Lucido is a more fun word to spell. It's longer. So let's spell Santa Lucido. So let's go backwards. It's faster. So let's do S and then go forward. A. N. Look at all these letters are close to each other. T. Oop. O. And then oop. Another logo. So I have to do this on camera. Oh. Sample. I think that's the U. Okay. Let's go back. Oh, yeah, right. Okay. That's what we do. L, and then I'll run like in the middle of the alphabet. Okay, so this now is a visual interpretation of the name Santo Lucido. Yeah, so that's my project. That's basically the gist of it. While each like individual art piece you make with the microbit could be named differently based on maybe what you're spelling or trying to create, I generally call it alphabet soup. Thank you so much.